Hey guys, today I'm just gonna take apart the Vibe and I'll clean the bolt maybe. Here's what we'll do. Start off with your smallest Allen key and I'm just gonna take the grips off here first. Alright, now that those are off, I'm just gonna pull this over to the back of the gun and there's the inside of the Smart Parts Vibe. I just put a little piece of like cotton right there, so because you pull the trigger back, the battery when you're running on the field shakes around a lot, and that makes it shake a lot less. Yeah, I'm using a 9-volt battery. I just got like a whole package of them at Walgreens. And then if you want to change it in lock semi, you're gonna have to look in your manual. I think it's one beep is you put the one of these right here hooked in, the other one take it out, and then turn on your gun and hold the trigger down, and it'll make it go in lock semi. If it blinks once and if it blinks twice, that means it's fully auto and 3-shot burst and semi. But if you're just playing like in a tournament, they're gonna want you to put it in lock semi. So there's that. But we turned it on here. You can hear that, it's beeping. Then here, I accidentally turned it off. You're just gonna push it again. Now it's in 3-shot burst. Now it is in fully auto. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's that. Alright, now just kind of put that back. Alright, I won't put that back on yet, but just take the barrel off here. The regulator, you don't really need to clean it. Mike has a video on how to take the Mike from Tech PB. You're gonna check that out. He's got a video on how to take the regulator apart and clean it. But you're gonna adjust your velocity right here with your biggest Allen key you have. Just turn it clockwise, I believe. Yeah, then we got a macro line's like it's like metal type of. It's not like a plastic like some guns. So yeah, there's that, and then alright, let's take the bolt out of here. And it should just screw right out. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera here. Now you're going to want to lube your Vibe every, I'd say, 2 days of paintball. I just usually just do it after every weekend when I'm done playing. And then, here we go. There we go. That's what the bolt looks like. Or not the bolt, but what else we got in there? Pull the rest out. That's what it looks like in there. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. And I'm just using Sleek Lube. I got it for $10.99 at ICU Paintball, Iowa. I'm in Iowa. ICU Paintball. Check out their store and their new paintball field. It's pretty nice. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take the lube. Put a little bit on your finger. For that much, it's about all you need is that. Then rub it on here. Should just get a nice little coat of it all over. On the inside a little bit too, maybe. And it should be good to go. So you notice how I got all the scratches right there? It's because I didn't buy a lube till a couple weeks ago. Just take a little more, put it on the inside of your gun too. Alright, now I'm taking that rest of the bolt out. There's the rest of the bolt, right there. That's what it's going to look like right here. It's got 2 O-rings right here, and a little tiny O-ring at the very end. And we're just going to lube that up a little bit too. Alright, now we're just going to put that back in. Here, hang on. Just push that. Whoa. Kind of messed that up there. Just push it back out. Make sure this is over that before you push it in. Made the mistake. Hey, sorry guys, the camera just kind of shut off there. But okay, now that you get all that, just put the bolt on the very end like that, and just gonna slide this down in there. And just screw it right back in. And just do it till you can't turn it anymore. Right there, it's good. That's what it looks like. That's that. Let's look at the barrel nut, or the inside of it. You can see it's in there. Pretty good. Take your regulator off. There's a Allen hole right there. Unscrew that, and then you're gonna unscrew this. Take it off of the macro line. Take that out. I was thinking about buying new grips, but the Vibes grips are actually really comfortable. Because I don't know, I just think they're really comfortable. But I was gonna get new grips because the gun kind of looks a little boring. It's just all black, and I wanted to get a little color in it, but it doesn't really matter. The grips are really comfortable. That's about it for the Vibe here. Just for when you're putting your barrel on, take some of this liquid fire oil and just put that on there, and then put a little on the end of your barrel for where your HPA goes, and you should be good to go. Ask me any questions about that. Subscribe to us. vermicellipb. Thanks. Alright, now that I got all that lube on there, I'm gonna test fire it, see if it works. Works fine.